Hi, my name is Stephanie Apt. I'm a licensed Medicare consultant, and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about Medicare Supplement Insurance here in the great state of Texas. Today we're talking about Medicare Supplement Plans here in Texas. So we'll review current rate quotes for Texas Medicare Supplement Plans, and these will be current as of 2018. We'll go over the top insurance carriers for Medicare Supplement Insurance in Texas, the most popular Medicare Supplement Plans, and we'll also review how and when you can enroll in Medicare Supplement Insurance here in Texas. So it's important to know that pricing, as far as your rate quotes for Medicare Supplement, will be based on area. If you're in one area of Texas, your pricing may be slightly different than in other areas of Texas. The average Medigap pricing for a 65-year-old female for Medicare Supplement Plan G is about $93 to $150 a month, depending on what company you go with. And I just mentioned Plan G because it's one of the most popular plans and one of the best value plans that we see lots of folks go with. Average Medigap pricing for a 65-year-old male. Males are always priced a little bit higher. For Plan G would be about $103 to $160 a month, depending on the company. So you can see there that it can be a pretty big difference in price for the same exact plan, depending on which company you're with. So you will want to shop around a little bit and make sure you're getting a competitive price for the plan that you choose. This is a chart that shows the standardized Medicare Supplement Plans. And here in Texas, the plans that are the most popular are Plan F, Plan G, and Plan N. And I mentioned Plan G when we talked about the price quotes. Let's talk a little bit about that plan and how it compares to some of the others that are the most popular. Plan F has historically been the most popular Medicare supplement plan in Texas, and it is easy to see why, because when you look at the chart, Plan F is the one plan that covers the most. It covers all of the gaps in original Medicare at 100%. Plan G is going to be a plan that's very similar to Plan F, the only difference being that Medicare Supplement Plan G does not cover the Medicare Part B deductible. It's the only difference. So everyone on Medicare has a Medicare Part B deductible. As of the filming of this video, the Part B deductible is $183 per year. If you have a Plan F, your Plan F is paying that deductible, so you don't have to pay that. If you have a Plan G, it doesn't pay the deductible. So you, the insured, are responsible for the first $183 of your medical expenses every year, and then after that, your Plan G kicks in and pays 100% of the rest of the gaps in original Medicare. When you compare the pricing for Plan F versus Plan G, Plan F is usually at least $250 to $350 or more dollars per year in premium, higher than Plan G. So when you look at the cost of the plans, it makes sense to go with Plan G usually instead of going with Plan F. Also, over the life of your plan, Plan G tends to get much lower rate increases than Plan F does. So we're seeing Plan G kind of grow and grow in popularity as less and less people go with Plan F moving forward. Plan N is the third most popular Medicare supplement plan in Texas. It's very similar to Plan G, aside from two differences. Plan N does not cover the Medicare Part B excess charges. Now, excess charges are not very common, but they can occur if you go to a provider that does not accept Medicare assignment. So most doctors that accept Medicare accept what we call Medicare assignment, which means they accept Medicare as payment in full. But if you go to a doctor who accepts Medicare but does not accept Medicare assignment, then they may bill you above the Medicare approved amount for that service or procedure. That would be considered an excess charge and could be billed to you directly. If you have a Plan F or a Plan G, those are the only two plans that cover the excess charges at 100%. Plan N does not cover them. Now, excess charges are legal here in Texas. In some states they're illegal, but in Texas they are legal, so you can come by them. They're not very common, but Plan N does not cover them. Plan N also has co-pays associated with it when you go to the doctor's office or the emergency room. And they will be up to a $20 copay at the doctor's office and up to a $50 copay at the emergency room. So if you have a Plan N, you're paying the Part B deductible, which is $183 a year, just like if you had Plan G. But after you meet that deductible, you'll also have to pay co-pays at the emergency room and co-pays at your doctor's office. So these are some of the top insurance companies that currently offer Medicare Supplement plans here in Texas. These are all very big name companies with strong financial ratings that are priced relatively competitively for Medicare Supplement insurance. Mutual of Omaha, Aetna, Cigna, United Healthcare, Blue Cross Blue Shield are both popular. These two can tend to get a little bit more expensive as time goes on when we look at rate increases. But these are some of the most popular insurance companies right now that offer Medicare Supplement or Medigap plans here in Texas. So when should you enroll in a Medicare Supplement plan, and how do you do so? If you're turning 65, you can enroll in a Medicare Supplement plan before your Medicare eligibility date. Usually you can enroll actually up to 6 months prior to your Medicare effective date. The earliest effective date for your Medicare supplement coverage will be your Medicare effective date, which is usually the first day of the month that you turn 65. You can also enroll in a Medicare supplement plan up to 6 months after you add Medicare Part B. And that is considered your Medicare Supplement open enrollment window. So if you're enrolling before you turn 65 or up to 6 months after you add Medicare Part B, you can enroll in any Medicare Supplement plan that you'd like without any medical underwriting or any health questions. That's your open enrollment period. If you are already 65 or you've been on Medicare for a while and you want to get a Medicare supplement plan, you can actually enroll in a Medicare supplement plan at any time during the year pending medical underwriting. So if you've already been on Medicare for a while and it's past your open enrollment window, you've been on Medicare Part B for more than 6 months, then you can enroll in a Medicare supplement plan as long as you're in relatively good health and you can go through medical underwriting. Different insurance companies have different medical underwriting criteria. So some insurance companies are a little bit more stringent on their medical underwriting, usually the companies with the more competitive pricing, and then other companies will be more lenient. So you do want to talk to an independent broker if you have certain health issues that can kind of figure out where to put you as far as which insurance company for your Medicare supplement plan. And another benefit of talking to an independent broker versus enrolling directly through the insurance company, not only can an independent broker shop around and make sure that you're getting the best rate for the plan that you choose, but also an independent broker will typically be able to check in with you and assist you with policy service. And if you have a question about your benefits or you ever want to shop your Medigap plans, that's where an independent broker can really help you and offer a free resource for you. If you are looking for Medicare supplement quotes here in Texas, you can always feel free to reach out to me directly. I do broker for all of the top insurance carriers that offer Medigap plans here in the state, and I am actually located right here in Austin. So I would be more than happy to help you go over your options and get you set up on a Medicare supplement plan. And if you ever have any questions about Medicare in general, you can always feel free to give me a call. Again, my name is Stephanie Apt. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.